Hey everyone, Money Mindset here. So, a lot of you have been asking me about how I manage my finances, how I invest, and if there are any specific tools or apps that I recommend for boosting your income. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite apps that I use daily to make more money. We're talking about apps that can help you invest smartly, find freelance gigs, and even earn passively in your spare time. These apps have been game changers for me, and I think you'll find them super useful too. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking for new ways to earn some extra cash, I've got you covered. So if you're ready to level up your finances and start making more money, grab your phone and let's jump right into the apps. First up, we have Robinhood. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm all about making smart investments, and Robinhood is my go-to app for that. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner to the world of investing. Robinhood lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies, all commission-free. Yeah, you heard that right. No more hefty trading fees eating into your profits. Plus, they have this really cool feature called fractional shares, which means you can buy a portion of a share even if you can't afford the full price. This is a game changer, especially for those of you who want to invest in big-name companies but don't have thousands of dollars lying around. Robinhood's interface is clean, intuitive, and makes tracking your investments a breeze. They have these beautiful charts and graphs that give you a clear picture of your portfolio's performance. But Robinhood isn't just for seasoned investors. They have a ton of educational resources built right into the app, so you can learn about different investment strategies, market trends, and even get personalized recommendations. I remember when I first started investing. I was so intimidated, but Robinhood made the whole process so much less scary. They break everything down in simple terms and provide you with all the tools you need to make informed decisions. And the best part is, you can start investing with as little as $1. That's right, just $1. No more excuses about not having enough money to invest. Robinhood truly empowers everyone to take control of their finances and grow their wealth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Robinhood is an app that deserves a spot on your home screen. Next up, we have Fiverr, a platform that's all about connecting talented freelancers with clients from all over the world. Now, if you have any skills that you can offer online, whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, social media management, you name it, Fiverr is the place to be. Creating a profile is super easy, and you can start offering your services as gigs. You get to set your own prices, define your services, and even offer different packages to cater to different client needs. It's like having your own online shop for your skills. What I love about Fiverr is that it gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, on your own time, and be your own boss. You get to choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and build a reputation for yourself in the online marketplace. Fiverr has been a game changer for so many freelancers, allowing them to turn their passions into profitable businesses. I've personally used Fiverr to find talented freelancers for various projects, and I've always been impressed with the quality of work and the professionalism of the sellers. They have a really cool rating system that helps you identify top-rated sellers, so you can feel confident that you're getting the best service possible. And if you're just starting out, don't be afraid to offer your services at a slightly lower price to attract clients and build up your portfolio. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Fiverr is all about building long-term relationships with clients, so make sure to deliver high-quality work, communicate effectively, and always strive to exceed expectations. If you're looking for a way to monetize your skills, work from anywhere, and be your own boss, Fiverr is definitely worth checking out. All right, moving on to an app that makes investing so effortless that you won't even realize you're doing it. Let me introduce you to Acorns. This app is perfect for those of you who want to invest but often find yourselves with only spare change or a few dollars left over at the end of the day. Acorns connects to your bank account and rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the difference automatically. So, let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest that extra 50 cents for you. It's like a secret savings account that grows over time without you even lifting a finger. The beauty of Acorns is that it takes the guesswork out of investing. You don't need to be a financial expert or spend hours researching stocks. Acorns does all the heavy lifting for you. investing your spare change into a diversified portfolio of ETFs based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You can choose from a range of portfolios, from conservative to aggressive, depending on your investment style. Acorns also offers a feature called Acorns Later, which helps you save for retirement. You can set up recurring or one-time investments into your retirement account and watch your savings grow over time. And if you're feeling extra motivated to save, you can also enable Roundup's multiplier, which multiplies your roundups by 2 times, 3 times, or even 10 times. Imagine turning that 50-cent coffee roundup into a $5 investment. Acorns is all about making investing accessible and effortless for everyone. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to grow your wealth, start small, and build healthy financial habits, Acorns is the perfect app for you. Now let's talk about TaskRabbit, an app that connects you with people in your local community who need help with various tasks. We're talking about anything from furniture assembly, mounting a TV, moving help, cleaning, yard work, and so much more. If you're someone who enjoys hands-on work, helping others, and setting your own schedule, TaskRabbit might be the perfect side hustle for you. Signing up as a tasker is pretty straightforward. You create a profile, highlight your skills and experience, set your hourly rates, and specify your availability. Once you're all set up, you'll start receiving notifications for tasks in your area that match your skills. You can then browse through the available tasks, review the details, and choose the ones you want to take on. TaskRabbit handles all the payment processing securely, so you don't have to worry about invoicing or chasing down payments. Clients pay through the app, and you get paid directly. It's that simple. What's great about TaskRabbit is that you have the flexibility to choose the tasks you want to do, when you want to do them, and how much you want to charge. It's a great way to earn some extra cash on your own terms, especially if you have some spare time on your hands. They also have a rating system, so it's important to provide excellent service, be reliable, and communicate effectively with clients to build a positive reputation on the platform. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle that allows you to use your skills to help others while earning some extra cash, TaskRabbit is definitely worth exploring. Last but not least, we have Swagbucks, an app that lets you earn rewards for doing things you already do online, like taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and even playing games. It's a fun and easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Signing up for Swagbucks is free, and you start earning points called Swagbucks, SB, right away. You can then redeem your SB for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, or even cash out via PayPal. One of the easiest ways to earn SB on Swagbucks is by taking surveys. They have a wide variety of surveys available, covering everything from consumer products to political opinions. Each survey takes around 10 to 20 minutes to complete, and you earn SB based on the length and complexity of the survey. If you're not a fan of surveys, you can also earn SB by watching videos. They have a whole section dedicated to videos, covering topics like entertainment, news, food, and more. You earn SB for every video you watch, and they even have playlists that you can put on in the background while you're doing other things. Swagbucks also has a shopping portal that lets you earn SB for your online purchases. Simply click through the Swagbucks portal before you make your purchase at your favorite online retailers, and you'll earn SB on your eligible purchases. And if you're feeling lucky, you can even try your hand at their games and contests for a chance to win even more SB. Swagbucks is all about rewarding you for your time and attention. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash or gift cards by doing things you already do online. So there you have it, my top 5 favorite apps that I use daily to make more money. From investing to freelancing to earning rewards for everyday activities, these apps have something for everyone. Remember, building wealth and achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a race. It's about taking small steps consistently and making smart choices with your money. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.